So finding a lost phone, finding a lost iPhone. So here I have an iPhone, and let's say that I don't know where it is. This happened just this morning. It did, and I thought it was on the dining room table, but I could not find it. I looked on the dining room table. It wasn't there.
I hid it
up under a shelf
Yeah.
or under a napkin or something like that. I mean, that was it. But I couldn't find it. So what did I do? I went to the web and iCloud.com. So I went to my computer or my Chromebook. This is my Chromebook. And I went to iCloud.com. Then you have to sign in with your Apple ID. Now it says, well, two-factor authentication. But how do I get a number if the point is I can't find my iPhone? Well, two things. First of all, that'll come through on your iPad if you have an iPad, or no, it didn't come through on the Apple Watch. Oh, yes, it did. Yeah, so on the Apple Watch, I can do that. But notice also, if your iPhone is your only Apple device, right here, you can get quick access. Just if you're trying to find your iPhone, you don't have to fill in those numbers. You can click right here on Find iPhone. And it's done. It's found it. But am I sure this is my iPhone it's found? All devices. I have a bunch of Apple devices. So I want to make sure that what I'm looking at is the location and information about my iPhone. So I click there. Okay. So first of all, it's found it. And yes, indeed, that is the location of my house. So it's in the house somewhere. All I want then is for it to play a sound. And this will play a sound even if your phone is on mute, which mine often is. There it is. So it plays a sound. So if it's underneath a napkin on the table, or if it's in the cushions on the couch, you can find it. What you want to do is go to iCloud.com, sign in, click Find Phone, make sure you're on the right device, and then you have the choice to play a sound. That's if it's in the house. Now, if you see from the map that it's in Chicago, then you figure that somebody's stolen it and taken it somewhere, and you might want to erase the iPhone or put it in lost mode, which means it locks it and it puts a message on the screen saying, if found, please call.